Florida. This broadcast of MLS on Apple TV is presented by T-Mobile. Chase Stadium, home to the Supporter Shield winners from 2024. That was then, this is now at Brioni. The strike tandem for Montreal. The attack for the home side tonight, which has won just once in its... As the teams begin to make their way into the tunnel, the mark a turning point in their season. We'll start to get answers. For Inter Miami and Joel Waterman on your right. Their tumultuous 2025 included 7 straight road matches to start the season. Is the 4th official working this tonight as the Miami got it done with a 95th minute equalizer. This season did come on the road. That was at Yankee Stadium. Montreal that delays the proceedings a bit. It's into Miami. Opposing teams have been on the other side of this, we know. Tonight against the last. Luis Suarez over the ball, and we're underway tonight. They get back to basics with Jordi Alba for the purpose of this game tonight. This is Lionel Messi. Messi works this.
Imagine that he'll just hold his position with Busquets, plays the ball into Allende, and then Messi gets the ball. We know what he's like when he gets in possession of the...
Age 21 after a spell at fullback in recent weeks. Here's Messi.
Montreal are playing really high.
Messi comes back to receive that ball from...
Is Allen, who can go to that left-back position and give the extra cover.
By the visitors again. Messi on the far side. It's a duo operating on the right side. They've each scored once this season. Saliba and Sealy, the son of former MLS strikers. Involvement for Aviles, who plays ahead. Now Messi. Telasco Segovia.
Go. Listen, you go into the space that I vacated. And look how far Campbell's going up with him.
3, Montreal.
You just see Messi's into his own half now. Campbell's got...
Messi, who draws the foul, wins the...
Now straight away that Campbell's following it. So what he's doing, he's...
Injured list after a hamstring injury just days ago. Federerez taken back by Inter Miami. This is Messi. Messi. Messi.
Driving inside, and he's actually marking Segovia. So the communication has to...
Off the top of goal.
Well, first thing Neil does, he puts his hands...
Off the free kick, Redondo, Messi, and Segovia. Alba with the return for Lionel Messi. Given away. Messi on the turnover. Lionel Messi.
Opportunity for Inter Miami. Plays Suarez, he's having none of it. And then Messi plays the ball to...
Busquets out of the back. Links with Messi. Here's Redondo. Messi. Segovia. And now waiting on this, Lionel Messi. Messi ahead. Fights off the challenge. Still Busquets. Lays this ball off. This is Messi. Goes centrally. Fires. Goal! Lionel Messi just like that. Inter Miami on the board. It's 1-0. And that's Lionel Messi with the first goal of the evening.
He's come into the box, but you have to get players forward. But the way that they're playing with this man-to-man system, the fullbacks aren't getting forward, the wingers aren't any service at all.
Messi again. Lionel Messi running centrally for a hydration break here with the game. Some third.
Wonderful finish. And then just watch the magic of not just Messi, but Busquets as well. He sees Waterman, the right back, who's come central, and he knows that he can use Waterman. If he can bend the ball around Waterman, the goalkeeper...
Messi to the foot. Injuries early in the match tonight. Lujan and Jordi Alba subbed out in this first. He's to the top of the box. Segovia back for Lionel Messi. Suarez. Messi again.
All it takes is one player to switch.
One again by Miami. This is Messi. Given away by Montreal. This is Messi in the danger area. Top of the... Taken by Suarez. Sends Inter Miami the other way. Lionel Messi for the Herons. All not out of the woods yet. Segovia gets it back. First half. One back by Inter Miami again. This is Messi, middle of the park. Works on. Falcone was omitted from the starting 11 tonight. He would be the logical replacement if Mascherano has to go deep.
Or does he want to make the substitution?
Here's Messi. His team reduced to 10 for the time being. Messi for Talasco Segovia. Nothing. Inter Miami lead over Montreal. This season, his 12th in all competitions for cast of MLS on Apple TV is presented by T-Mobile. Here we go. Miami could be a better team than the one that set a points record last year. Good work by Messi, and
It's as simple as that. You know, it's not the attacking side of things. Yes, the attacking thing suffers because teams aren't getting at them, and it's difficult.
Busquets. Messi. As a cross. Here's Messi. Trying to fend off Campbell. Messi, tremendous balance. Continue.
Little touch from Messi. This is the earlier one where Messi makes a run.
Held the lead since the 27th minute. Here's Messi.
For the strike, but it's better for Montreal.
What a ball by Messi. This is Allende. Tadeo Allende put it by the far post. Had 2-0 game written all over it.
And it's that man-to-man marking again. All of a sudden, nearly finds himself with. Every time he's got hold of the ball, he's trying to look forward.
Here comes Messi. 3 into the attack for Inter Miami. Lionel Messi shooting. First attempt block. Messi again tries to.
He's been excellent this evening so far.
Why not?
Well, Montreal creating their own problems once again. If you look at the opportunities that Montreal have had, in particular in this.
Return for Messi. Petrasso there to defend. Messi cutting it back. Maintains possession. Lionel Messi works it across. Shot! 2-0 game! And it's the master, Luis Suarez. More than 500 goals for club and country with the finish. Oh, he needed that one. The brilliance of Messi to set it up. Or into Miami. Plays this into the box. Kremaski's first touch. The lead is 3. It's Suarez again. A brace in a matter of moments, and look who's back with a vengeance. Luis Suarez, second of the night. Head. Clark to play this forward. Montreal looking to get on the board, and they do. The neat finish. Sealy and Montreal find a path back into the match. In addition, Suarez again. Messi, Lionel Messi continues up. And Inter Miami trying.
Started all off. Just finds a little bit of space himself.
We're in this 3-1 game, Danny.
Yeah, against this Inter Miami team for so much of this game. Look, Montreal, they will believe they can get a goal.
The substitution patterns by Mascherano tell you how much he absolutely must have. 7th in the Eastern Conference table at the start of play today. Waiting on this. Messi again in their season. As we watch Messi and Miami looking for a 4th. Suarez, Messi again, Lionel Messi, oh good night. What a finish. The dynamic duo have put on a show, Luis Suarez and Lionel Messi. The lead is 4-1, and that should do it. He's been a human highlight reel tonight.